हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप सब। आज हम सीखेंगे 3D शेप्स नेम। चलिए देखते हैं 3D शेप्स किसे कहते हैं। अ 3D शेप्स कैन बी मेजर बाई इट्स 3 डायमेंशंस लेंथ, विड्थ एंड डेप्थ, जिन्हें हम अपने दोनों हाथों से होल्ड कर सकते हैं, उठा सकते हैं। वो 3D डायमेंशनल शेप कहलाते हैं। चलिए देखते हैं कौन कौन से 3D शेप्स होते हैं। Learn with Durga Joan. Cube. This is a cube. A cube is a solid or three-dimensional shape which has 6 square faces. The cube has the following properties. All edges are equal, 8 vertices, 12 edges and 6 faces. For example, the blocks are cube shape and ice cube also cube shape. Cuboid. This is a cuboid where the faces of the cuboid are the rectangular in shape. All the angles measure 90 degrees. A cuboid is also called a rectangular prism. The cuboid has 8 vertices, 12 edges and 6 faces. Some objects of cuboid shape. Matchbox is cuboid and books are also cuboid shape. Prism. This is a prism which consists of two equal ends, flat surface or faces, and also has an identical cross section across its length, since the cross section looks like a triangle. The prism is generally called a triangular prism. The prism does not have any curve. A prism has 6 vectors, 9 edges and 5 faces, 2 triangular and 3 rectangular faces. Pyramid. This is a pyramid. A pyramid is a solid shape whose outer faces are triangular and meet to a single point on the top. The pyramid base can be of any shape, such as triangular, square, quadrilateral. The most commonly used type of pyramid is the square pyramid. It has a square base and 4 triangular faces. Consider a square pyramid. It has 5 vertices, 8 edges and 5 faces. Some examples of pyramid. Cylinder. This is a cylinder shape. A cylinder is defined as a 3D figure which has 2 circular bases connected by a curved surface. A cylinder has no vertex, 2 edges, 2 flat faces, circles, 1 curved face. For example of cylinder, looks like LPG gas cylinder and water bottle. Cone. This is a cone. A cone is a 3D object or solid which has a circular base and has a single vector. The cone is a geometrical figure that decreases smoothly from the circular flat base to the top point called the apex. A cone has 1 vertex, 1 edge, 1 flat face, circle and 1 curved face. For example of cone, a birthday cap and ice cream cone. Sphere. This is a sphere which is perfectly round in shape and every point on its surface is equidistant from the point is called the center. The fixed distance from the center of the sphere is called a radius of the sphere. A sphere has no vectors, no edges, and one curved face. For example, the wall is sphere shape and the earth is also a sphere. Hemisphere. This is a hemisphere. Hemisphere can be split into hemi and sphere, where hemi means half and sphere is the 3D shape one half a sphere formed by a plane that passes through the center of the sphere. So, this is called hemisphere. For example, half of the earth, South Pole, and half of the earth, North Pole. Another is a bowl is semi-sphere shape. वीडियो पूरा देखने के लिए धन्यवाद. Thank you for watching. If you're watching first time my video, please subscribe the channel and like, share and comment.